Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to join the Murder Mystery 2 official the Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you have to log into your account through this Discord application, or you can use the web browser where you can go to discord.com and log into your account. So when you are on your account, you can find this compass like icon here. This is discover. Simply click on it and make sure that you have chosen servers here. Now search for murder mystery 2 and hit enter, and you can find the murder mystery 2 here. So you can simply click on it and you will be able to join the murder mystery 2, but before that you have to verify yourself. So you have to simply go through the verification here, and you have to follow these rules here. After completing the rules, you have to verify. So this server uses a Roblox verification system. In order to unlock the feature of the server, you will need to verify your Roblox account through with your Discord account. So you have to verify your Roblox account through your Discord account. So you have to simply click on this join murder mystery 2 button here. So when you have clicked on it, then you have to simply click on complete and simply agree with the rules and regulations. So when you have updated that rules and regulations here, then you have to go to the verification here, simply click on it, and you have to wait till 10 minutes. So this is the cooldown time. So when the 10 minutes is completed, you can find update my rules here. This button will light up and it will allow you to complete your verification process. So you can see it is suddenly just appeared here where you can find this here, and that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.